definitely mentioned the three most important components in this stage of weight maintenance. You mentioned that you still eat well or mindfully. You definitely monitor your weight, and you definitely make sure that you're checking frequent, not too frequent, on how you're going with that. But then you immediately told me also two, three important components. You said that you're menopausal now, and you think that it's harder now, and you think that the weight is as if it's like wanting to go up.
Well, man, that's just me guessing.
Okay.
But since
That's
I
one.
started with
Yes.
you,
Yes.
I am in full
Yes.
menopause.
Yes, yes. Classically, and I mean, we can talk about the menopausal topic for sure. I mean, we know that the body historically and also physiologically or biologically, ladies, once they go into menopause, they can gain, like our ancestors, if we look, they start working less in the farms, they start kind of like being more sedentary. And yes, the hormones change a little bit, and the burning and the kind of like the machine becomes a little bit slower, and you can gain, a pound a year, 2 pounds a year. But right now we're seeing way more weight in that stage, as if because the environment is becoming a little bit too tricky in this stage, and there's a lot of the emotional components, the other factors. So this is definitely where we say, oh no, you have to kind of like take care of this and go back to where you were when you were like 20 years old or 15. It's obviously not possible to reverse time, but we definitely think that the aging healthy attitude, a lot of it has to do with staying active, a lot of it with also taking care of your body, mind and body and your health, eating well, exercising, staying healthy with your bone health, with your sleep health, with your social life, your hobbies, your generally, I mean, the medications also that you take for other conditions seem to be very well-rounded and well-balanced. And I know that this is also a lot of the challenge at this stage of life, is to kind of like also take care of your diabetes, your arthritis, your general condition, your heart, your cholesterol. But again, that will take us back to ground zero, where we talked about the weight in the first visit. We want to do it because we want to help the health. So it's health and your stamina and how you feel. And this is where we can definitely continue to work on this, okay?